Here's how to release your guardian garage door operator from the garage door. First, find and locate the red cord. Then, we're going to take and pull it towards the garage door. Now we're released. You'll do this in the event of power outages, or you just need to simply manually open your garage door. So, now we're going to bring the door right on up. To reattach, you're going to take the pull cord and you're going to pull it towards the operator. Then you're going to locate the wall button. You're going to walk over to it. You're going to press the button, and the trolley is going to guide itself back, and it will catch, and you're good to go. If you have any issues with your garage door or your garage door operator, please give us a call.